Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Lock Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 1 Rational Numbers Exercise 1A Question 1. This is fill in the blanks, right? So it's the fill in the blanks general question, and in these questions different things have been asked from different topics, not just one. There are many things in this, right? See, the first one is 3 by 4 expressed as a rational number with denominator 24. Now see here, 3 by 4 we have to express it as a rational number with the denominator 24, right? The numerator is not given, right? We have to fill in this numerator something. Now that means again we have to find equivalent rational numbers, just like we find equivalent fractions in which we multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Same way here also we are going to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number, and 4 into something should give us 24. It cannot be used for getting any other number except 24 here. Now see, how many times will 24 go by 4? 6 times. And since we are going from smaller to bigger, we will multiply 4 into 6. 4 into 6 is 24, and same thing we will do with the number above also, 3. So multiply 3 also by 6, right? That is into 6. Okay. And if we are dividing this by 6, then this will also be divided by 6. Very simple, which is what? 18 by 24, right? So here we can mention it, 18 upon 24. This is the fraction. Alright, next, second one, minus 4 by 7, and then there's a blank, and then 4 upon minus 11, and we have to put the greater than, equal to, or less than sign, right? So again same thing, this is also very simple. We have to do the comparison of the two numbers, right? In the second one we have to do the comparison of the two numbers. And one more thing, you see, one is minus 4 by 7, and then second is 4 by minus 11, so that will be written as minus 4 by 11, right? Basically we will take the minus sign to the numerator, and if there are two minus signs we will cancel both of the minus signs, right? So now next step is going to be comparing them again. 7 and 11, LCM of 7 and 11 is 77, right? So 4 and upon 7 into 11 is 77, so minus 4 into 11, and second fraction is again same thing here, minus 4 upon 11, so minus 4 upon 11, 11 into 77, right? Sorry, 11 into 7 will be 77, right? 11 into 7, 77. So same thing for minus 4 also, minus 4 into 7, which is minus 44 upon 77 blank, and then minus 28 upon 77. Which one is greater? Of course minus 28 is greater than minus 44, so put this sign. This means that what? This means that the number which is negative but has higher number numerical value, right, minus 44, so of course 44 is greater than 28, but in minus it is the opposite, so we'll put the sign less than, right? Minus 4 by 7 is less than 4 upon minus 11. Next it says the absolute value of minus 21 upon minus 24, right? So this is the third one, right? And second one, and then this was the first one, right? So third part, here you can see the absolute value of minus 21 upon minus 29, sorry, not 24, 29, minus 21 upon minus 29. Now what is the absolute value? Absolute value is writing the number without any signs, right? That means if it has minus signs, we will remove the minus sign. If it has plus signs, then we simply will not write the plus sign, simply just write the digits, right? No need to write any sign, not even plus or minus. So for putting absolute value, we put it in such bars. These are called mods, right? And these indicate that we have to find the absolute value of the number. So calculated, simply write 21 upon 29. There is no need to put the minus signs, right? So 21 upon 29. So here we can mention it, 21 upon 29. Now next is the fourth one, right? And this says the rational number whose absolute value is 7 by 8 are. Now in the previous question, number was given and we had to find its absolute value. In this question, the absolute value is given and we have to find which number's absolute value is that number, right? So basically 7 by 8, right? Absolute value equals to 7 by 8. So what? So now let's see, next step will be absolute value 7 by 8. Now remember one thing, first of all, numbers, right? What numbers absolute value can this actually be? This is the question, right? So very simple, remember one thing. First is that we put it without the signs, right? We put this number here 7 by 8 without the signs. First of all, the absolute value will be what? First of all, the number itself, the positive one, and then negative, minus 7 by 8, right? First number 7 by 8, it is the positive rational number. Second is the negative rational number. Both of them are positive and negative of the same digits, right? 7 and 8. So 7 by 8, first will be 7 by 8 only, second will be minus 7 by 8. Now why am I not writing the third one, that you have minus 7 by minus 8? Why are we not writing this? Because only and only the positive and the negative numbers, their absolute value is there. Okay, when is a rational number considered positive? If its digits, both the numerator denominator, are positive, both of them are positive, or even if both of them are negative. So in such cases it is called a positive rational number, and here both the numbers are negative. So this is not negative, this is positive only, right? It is just that it has minus signs. So basically we'll cut the minus sign, so after all we'll get 7 by 8 only. So this is only positive, right? That is why positive integer we've already written, positive rational number we've already written 7 by 8. There is no need to write minus 7 by minus 8 because that is also a positive integer only, and other than that the negative one will be there, right? So 7 by 8 and minus 7 by 8. Then the rational number which is neither positive nor negative is very simple, this is 0. Alright. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and